think we're live. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Let's just wait. Two people watching now. It says. If you're here, please type in the chat so I know. Please, 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 please. Tiago, how are you? Welcome. Hi. Today we're going to learn how to allow some of your maybe possible new drivers, your installation, how that will work and everything. So it's a very cool lesson. If you have any questions, do not forget to type in the chat and I'll be happy to answer everything. Okay? Let's just wait a little bit, like two, 3 more minutes. One more minute. Well, 1 minute and 10 seconds. Okay, Tiago, let's see. My plan is to design an app and resell it to store owners. Okay, we talk about, yeah, to design it. Like, let's talk about it at the end, Tiago. Okay? I we talked a little bit about it yesterday, but I will help you today. Let's just wait at the end, and I will help you for sure to everything. Okay. Yeah. So let's get this started, guys. Today I wanted to show you how you can enhance your website by using integration that we have ready uh, finished that are working in your website, but not a lot of you know how to use them and everything. So let me share my screen. Okay, right here. I will open Zapier. The one we're going to require is Zapier, okay? And I will also open Typeform. These two are free services that you can use right now, okay? So you don't have to spend any more money on this. Let me see if I remember this password. Okay, now I will just log in with this one. Okay, what we're going to do today is, hello Roger, welcome. We're going to create a time form which will be embedded or not embedded, like it's going to be a button in the website that we use for the Ording University saying something like, hey, do you want to become a driver? And then we are going to, whenever they sign that up, a driver user is going to be created and you are going to get notified at your email, because even though if a driver is created, you as a super administrator have to put it in a drivers group. Okay, I will show you all that. First, we're going to need Typeform, Zapier, and of course your ordering website. Okay, I'm opening everything I have here. So first we have to create the form. Let me put it right here. Okay, we'll create a form that is going to be for job application. Maybe this will work. You have a lot of templates that you can use, okay, in Typeform. However, let's start one from scratch. Remember, if you have any questions, do not forget to type in the chat. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, okay? This video will get uploaded in YouTube channel, so you can watch it anywhere, anytime. Signing up a driver. I'm going to put it like this. This is the name of my form. First, let's see what a driver requires. So we're going to go in the website, users, delivery manager, then driver. Okay, here we're going to see driver requires name. I'm going to check in the mandatory fields, okay? Name, email, password, and I think country and city. However, let's start with the form. Actually, yeah, let's start with the form. So first we're going to add something like a welcome screen. Hey, if you are here, I mean you can put whatever you want. It's just my imagination, okay? If you're here, you are about to get hired as a driver for X company. Let's say for Ordering University. Okay, here in Typeform you can put some images. Let's say driver. Let's see if we can find something. Delivery. And something like that. You can put it this right here. It'll show here. Then we're going to, if you click in question settings, you can put a description. I will put please complete the following form and we will get in touch with you very soon. Something like that, okay? So imagine they already started this form, so it's going to go to the next step and we're going to ask for the name. Where's your name? We're going to make this one required. Then we're going to add another short text saying what uh, last name, please. Something like that. Required also. Now let's say email. I need an email, so I'm going to put email. What about your email? Required. Please write your email below. 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 Where is that? Below, like that. I don't remember if it's with two L's, but okay. And then we're going to require I think that's it. We can make it with maybe a phone number. Yeah, phone number. The cool thing about Typeform is that they have a lot of options like already set up. Please share your phone number with us. You can put here a description like, we are going to reach you very soon at this number, so the driver doesn't put something wrong, okay, and you don't waste any time. So that is it. We're going to set this as required, this one too. All of these fields are required right now, okay? Now let's change a little bit the design of our, what should be good. I mean, you can put it any way you want, but let's put this one, or this one. I think this one looks cool. Then we can leave it like that, or you can change field thing by thing. We don't need to do it right now. So now we have to get the URL that the drivers are going to fill. The URL is here in share. We have this link. Also, do not forget to publish the form. Publish. Now it can be there. So we're going to go in our Ordin University, and here we're going to put it here. Start with you. I'm going to change that text and the link to become a driver. Start with you. This is going to be become a driver, and this is going to be the new link, which is the form that we just created. So that is it. That is changed. I'm going to open another incognito window with my website. Oh, it's too big. Sorry. Become a driver. Oh, I think it's too long. Let me change that. Become. It shouldn't be that long. Driver. Become a drive. It's saying become a drive for some reason. We'll put something else and see if that gets saved. Ordering University. If not, we can work with that. Okay, that's it. It is showing. I think I clicked too fast. So when the driver that is interested in looking for a job with you is going to do this, a form will show, and then he's going to read everything. Okay, let's say I want to become a driver of this company. Last name. My last name is Cayo Rodriguez, and then my email, Mauricio. I'm going to put driver Mauricio. Okay, and then my phone. Okay, like this. I'm going to just put something like that. Submit. Okay, now that this is done, okay, I have already a form that someone wants to become a driver of my company. So what I'm going to do now, because I want to get informed, is that I'm going to go in Zapier, and I'm going to create triggers and a SAP and everything, okay, like the full next steps. So I have to look for the form. I will put the event is going to be whenever there is a new type form fill up. I'm going to put my type form account. Then I'm going to look for the form that I just created, which is this one. I'm going to test this trigger. There is a form, the form that we just filled, so I'm going to click continue. So what I want this this app to do is, first I want to create an user. So the driver is already created in my editor, and I just have to assign it to a group. Okay, so here we have to put our project. The project, you can look at the project in the builder right here. Check it out. 1 second. Happy builder. Okay. So this is project. So I'm going to put it in Zapier right here. Language, my language is in English, I think. Language settings, language. I'm going to put EN. I think it's like that. We're going to try. The username is going to be filled by the name of the form. So you have to put the name like this. User's email. So we have to put the driver's email. Okay. User password. We didn't ask for a password, but what you can do is put a default password for every new user. So when you get in touch with them, you let them know, okay, everything is set up. This is going to be your password. Okay. User last name, we have that also. Last name. User country. I am going to put this one as default also. However, let me see the delivery zones of my installation, because it has to match. So I'm going to put United States and New York. Okay. So in Zapier, it's going to be New York, and then user country, United States. Now here we put the user level as a driver. Okay. User street, these are not needed for now. You can put the phone here because we already asked for it. So you can put it with the fields that are already filled with the type form. Okay. Now we have everything ready here. So I'm going to click continue. Let's test this. It says a test user was sent to ordering. So we have to check here in delivery manager, in drivers, okay, here. What is the one or what? 20. Yeah, the project is already there. Let's just refresh this. Let me try logging in one more time. Super admin. Oh no, it was. Close. Okay, for some reason it's not showing here. Was it a user or what? Where's your customer? It is not here. Let me see. I might be sending this to another app. Customize. Oh, it had a space here. As you can see. Okay, now this is removed. Make sure that everything is cool. Okay, I will test it again. Let's see if it works this time. Okay. that is saying it worked. However, it might be taking a little longer. Okay. Let me check. So this was sent to this project, which is okay. Language. Um, I'm checking. No data available. It says no data available for some reason. So let me continue. I will turn this on. And I will check directly in. It's not getting like that. However, I had a workaround for this. Not a workaround, but another thing that I want to add here. Uh, Even if this is like that, I can, um, I will send me an Slack message like this saying, send a direct message like this. I will send myself a message saying that there's a new driver that wants to sign up in my website. You can also send an email or you can send you an SMS with Twilio. There are a lot of ways. I'm going to put to myself, hey, there's a new driver looking to join your fleet or something like that. Or you can send this to the driver's manager who can take care of things, you know. And I'm going to put here name. Name is going to be this name. And then I wanted to tell me his phone so I can get in touch with him really quickly. And even if and like that, and even the email. So email also. Email is going to be this email. So this is going to be sent as a bot and Zapier bot name. No, anything here. Okay, continue. Test. I will send this to myself. And as you can see here in Slack, this is my Slack, I will get this message. I will turn it on. So imagine I am just working like I daily will like a normal day. And if a driver wants to join my team by filling up this form, the SAP is on, so it will show me the. Let me refresh this because it's saying turn on SAP, but it's already on. On, okay. I will create another driver using this form. Ratio. This is another email that I have. Okay. Then the phone number. Okay. Like that. Was sent perfectly. Okay, so now I got this new message with the new driver, and I think the issue here is going to be the language, but I have to check with the even though okay, as you can see, this is something here. I'm going to change this to English. Let's see if this works. Because let's try it that way. Test and continue. Loading. If you have any questions, please type them in the chat. As soon as I get some time, I will answer them. Zapier is loading right now. Let's wait for it to finish loading. nice app. Refreshing this. Nope, there's no driver created. I will disable all of the other languages. I'm not sure if that is the issue here. We have a bunch of languages here. Okay, like that. We will log off and log in. Delivery manager. I will refresh this because it is not loading. Let's see what's happening there. Okay, we're moving forward. Continue. Okay, let's see. I think we are selecting the ground. Let me check something. We will go in the article for Savior that we have in our knowledge base. Savior. Newest. Okay, this is the one. Newest. Ordering ink. Okay, that's going to be the deal. So I had only ordering. Let's try it now. Create new user. Choose an account. Okay, I will took my new account. Project. Okay, here is a key. Okay, now it will work. Sorry about that first time. Okay, I have to get a key that I'm going to get here in a super admin. I click at the keys. I create a key. Then I copy, I paste it. Oh, sorry. I paste it here. Continue. Now Savior is linked. I will continue. Okay, now we're in the clear. So the name is going to be. Sure. Let me know if you can hear me. Deep. Please let me know if you can hear me now. Let me know. Thank you. I think this is better. Please let me know. Okay. I'm going to put the name of the driver. I'm going to put the last name of the driver. Wonderful, amazing. I'm going to put the email of the driver. Then I'm going to put a password, just a generic password that you can give every driver, and they just have to change it. Birthday is not necessary. Cell phone, we have the phone, so we can put it like this. The level is going to be driver. This is not necessary for now, and it's going to be as false. Available, false. Okay, enabled, true. Let's continue like this. Continue. Test. Send data. It sent this. Okay, so it should be created right now. More. Delivery manager. Yes, it is created. So that was the deal. Make sure to grab the right link from the beginning. Okay, is the second one here. It's going to say ordering ink. So now, as you can see, if I turn this on, I will also get a message, okay, in Slack, because every time there is a new sign up on my site, I will get a website. Sorry, I will get a notification that someone wants to become a driver of my company. Okay, so if I try one more time, even better. Deep, you're here. Can you fill this up? So we can try with you. Fill that up, and I will get your information of the new driver right here in my platform, or Tiago or whoever wants to fill it up. Let's try it and see how it works. Please. Who's filling it up? I will get a notification here, so please try it out. Try to fill that up, the form. I just send it over the chat. Amazing, Tiago. Thank you. Let's see what it shows here. Done it. Okay, let's see. Where is the form? Results. Let's see if you fill it up. Descent. Okay. Now let's see here. It'll take a second. Hey there. Hey, there's a new driver looking to join. I got the notification with your information, Tiago, and right here it is created. That's it. So you get notified. You see like the new driver, and then you say, okay, let me get a call with him, and then I can assign it to the group and explain how your platform works. And that's it. That is a way to hire drivers easily and without looking for them. They will come to you. As you can see, this is very cool. It's a very cool feature. You can use it. It's already there. It's working. Just make sure that you are using the right app, which is the one that says newest. Okay. Let me share you this link in the chat, and that is it. What do you think, guys? It's a very cool improvement that you can do. This can work also for business owners. It will be great if the driver could receive an email with App Store links so they can but you as an administrator have to put it in the drivers group first, because you have to check that. I mean, you can create it. You can create this app that says, I'm going to add another thing. Okay, I'm going to send an email, Gmail. So I'm going to do something like send an email. If all these 3 steps are correct, send an email using my account to the driver who put his email right here, and then CC me, send a copy to me. From is going to be from ordering university team reply to, and let's put co subject become a driver at in ordering university body plan. So this is going to be, hey, so you want to become a driver, you are one step closer. Download this app or something like that. I don't know. Okay, download this app and then you put the link of your app. Let me get the one for delivery app, like demos, delivery. Yes, I'm live. Thank you. Delivery. Here is. Let's say I will put both links. This is Apple. This is Google Play. I will say Apple, Android, and you say your password is this, and use this email, which is the one that the customer already set up, something like this. Check it out. I don't know. Okay, you can work with everything. So imagine this email won't exist. However, I'm going to send it to my real email also, just for testing this step. I'm going to click continue. Test it. It's going to send an email to my email, and then it's going to, my volume is still down. Let's see. What about now? Can you hear me better? Grupo per chat. Please let me know if you can hear me better, please. Let me know, please. Okay, let's see. So this way I send myself an email. Imagine I'm the driver, okay? I send myself an email using Zapier, and it's going to say something like this. And here I can see that, okay, so ordering team is looking for me. I want to become a driver, so I can download the app here. If I am on the phone, it will open the link to download the delivery app. Okay, and this is your password and your email. So both parties get notified about this new driver, and that is a way you can do some things like this. I mean, you can do a lot of other things using Zapier. Really, it's a very cool tool, and the fact that we already have the integration there, it's amazing. So I don't know if you have any questions about this subject. I figured it's very important that you know the capabilities of your installation of the software that you're using right now. So let me know what you think in the chat. If you have any question, I mean, we already have one question there, but if you have any other question, type them in the chat and I'll be happy to answer them, okay? That is it for this topic, and I hope it helps you a lot, okay? Let's see. Tiago, my plan is to design an app and resell it to store owners. When you say design an app, do you mean like changing the few things that the ordering builder lets you, or you want to develop something else on the ordering environment? What is the plan? What is the deal? Please elaborate with me. Grupo Percha, Lima, Peru. Welcome, bienvenidos. I'm in Mexico, by the way. What do you think, Deep, Roger, Thiago, Grupo? Please let me know. Okay, then, and you will sell it, Tiago, to your stores, to your business owners, right? Okay. Yeah, for that you have, remember that you have the single store website and apps. You can do it. You can get some apps with us, and then you resell them to your customers. You can put whatever price you want. I mean, we just our fees are one time, and if you sell to your customer twice the price, it's no problem for us. And after you got those apps, you can start changing the things like the images, the color, the background, and everything. And then you give them to your customers, the customer app and the single website. You already have a license. It'll be in your builder. It'll say, because the app is connected. Sorry, the restaurant is connected already to your installation. So imagine you have your marketplace and then you have a branch with a single website and a single app with their own logos, images, colors, everything. However, the information of the store is taken from your marketplace already. So you don't have to do like another installation with everything. It'll be just a branch of your main marketplace. And in this single website and single app, the it will only show the one store that you set that single website and apps to show. Okay. Yeah. uh can I customize product images and everything else? Product images, so because of the product images are changed in your editor, it will reflect in your apps already. So it will show it will show exactly the same as you have in your editor, as it's showing in your marketplace, as it is showing in your single website and apps, in terms of the products. So you don't have to do double the work, and that is it. So it's going to be it's going to be marketplace, then a branch for your stores each time, and you get the apps and this and the single websites, the single website and the single apps from us, and then you can sell those to your customers. Yeah, yeah. So let me show you something. I will show you with a real example. So here, this is the main demo. Okay, I will put this half and half. This is our main demo, and this, yeah, I got you, don't worry, Tiago. And this is the single web. So as you can see, the single web logs in directly in the store, and even though the customer clicks the logo, it will get back to the same store. You can change all this. However, the information is taken from, is also here because it's in the marketplace. The information is taken from the editor, from here. So if you do a change here, let's say cheeseburger, disable this. If you disable as a super administrator, or as a business owner, here it will get reflected. It is going to be gone. Did I disable it? Oh, we have to. Okay, disable this one also. I think that's it. So turn it, refresh, and it is gone. So as a business owner, you can also log in here to your specific store to control it, and the business owner will only see his store. So you give your customers, you give the access for the for every like apps and editor and everything. The builder is only for you. That is very important. The builder is only for you as a super administrator, as the creator of this marketplace. But yeah, I mean, you can give them the chance to have their own apps and website using the same editor as they have already done, so you don't work the double. And this is a branch. It will be the same for the single app. Single app. It is going to show McDonald's because that is the way it's set up. I'm going to put delivery, Fifth Avenue, save. We were in burgers and the cheeseburger is not showing because we already disabled that one. So you're telling me I only need one license in order to create as many stores as I sell? Yeah, in one license you get the marketplace, okay? Inside that license you get single websites and single apps. You have to purchase though, those, okay? Those are sold separately. But those will be, it will show in your builder something like this. The example, these are single websites and those are showing inside your main license. This one, I mean, this is a, I have more license here because I had to do another tests, but yeah, it will show there. You don't need to purchase another package or something like that. You can do it with the platform, with the environment that you already have, with your first installation. That's it. You get single websites and apps for your stores. You get some more money, and it's a good deal. Let me know what you think, Tiago. If there's any question, I'll be happy to help. Yeah. What is the next question, Tiago? Which license should I get? If you want to create something like this, I remember that you need all the apps. So I would recommend you to get the Platinum, Tiago. To be honest. Also, I think you were already thinking of it. So, I mean, you also have 15 days money back guarantee. I recommend you to start right away. Yeah. Yeah, Platinum. Yeah. Try it out. Try it out. I'll be here every day. I'm here, so you can come here and ask me, send me an email. If I am not the guy who answers your question, I will channel you to the one who will for sure. Please, thank you. I'll continue giving them. It's very cool to know what is the deal with you guys. Okay, so well, amazing, Tiago. Let me know if there's anything I can help you. And you have my email, you have everything. I'm here every day, Monday to Friday. See you tomorrow. Okay. And congratulations in advance for your package and your business and everything, Tiago. Um, I think that is it for today's lesson. See you tomorrow, guys. We have something exciting tomorrow, and be safe. My name is Mauricio. This video will get uploaded in the chat. My email, let me send to you, Tiago, okay? Okay. This video will get uploaded in the YouTube channel, and you can see it anywhere, anytime, any place. See you tomorrow, same channel, same time, same me. Have a great day. This is almost over, the pandemic, so be safe, please. Bye bye. Have a cool day.